Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download smash cut templates for YouTube intros. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download smash cut templates for your YouTube intros, start by opening your web browser. Go to the search bar and type in smash cut templates. Hit enter to view the search results. Look for websites that specifically offer free or paid smash cut templates. Select a website that appeals to you based on user reviews and template variety. Once on the website, navigate to the Templates section. Browse through the available options until you find a template that catches your eye. Click on the template to view more details. Check for compatibility with your editing software. If all looks good, locate the Download button. Click on the Download button to start downloading the file. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the file and extract it if it's in a zip format. Open your video editing software. Import the extracted smash cut template into your project. Customize the template with your text, colors, and images to make it uniquely yours. Preview the changes to ensure everything looks perfect. Finally, render your video to see the finished intro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.